So just like there's ways to get message dialog boxes that are fancier, a little spicier, there's also ways to use input dialog boxes in the same way. So you can ask for information in an input dialog box, but put a title on it, maybe put a different icon on it, and make it look just a little more tailored to your needs. So let's look at how to do that. So here's just a regular show input dialog that asks the user to enter their name. And notice how when this program runs, the title bar says input, very generic icon. It's getting input from me so I can enter my name. And then I click OK, and you see the message shows up, "Hello Titus, it's nice to meet you." So okay, that wasn't a very spicy message dialog box. There wasn't a lot of hand-tailored things in there. So let's make it a little bit, I don't know, more interesting. I could give so I'm looking at this message dialog box that comes out, and it says it's nice to meet you. That's fine. But when it says what is your name, what if I wanted to give them an example of a name? So I'll say your name goes here. If I add that parameter and if I add the word null with a comma in front, so now I have 3 parameters in my input dialog box. I have null, comma, the text that I want to have with the question in it, comma, and this is going to be the default value. If I run this now, notice how my input dialog box changes. You see where that your name goes here shows up. Now it looks like a default value. So now you can type in your name and click OK, and it still says it's nice to meet you. So that's one thing that you can do. You can add a default value as a 3rd parameter here. Another thing you can do is you can change this the icon that shows up on the left side, and you can change the title. So let's say I want the title to be get name, and I want the icon to be a JOptionPane dot information message. So now, and that's all in caps, I end my parenthesis, I end with a semicolon. So now when I run this program, that 3rd parameter will be the title. So here comes the message dialog box. So you see there's a different icon. You can type in your name, and the message dialog box still appears with no particular icon. So just like we made special handmade message dialog boxes, we can do that with input dialog boxes as well.